Hey everybody, and welcome back. I'm Dad from Dad's Fishing Adventures. And what a fantastic day of fishing out here today along Hunter State Park. In fact, we hooked onto a fish so big that if we would have brought it into the kayak, it probably would have tipped us over. Come along fishing with me and see it for yourself. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe as well. It really helps the channel out. Let's go fishing. Thanks everybody. Alright, well, to start with, I think we're just going to hang a couple crappie jigs off the side of the boat. I don't know, 6-7 feet deep. And we'll just start with a little grub. Slow roll it. So we have not been out to Couchville probably a few months. It's probably been since maybe November-ish. Oh, man, I think this is the lowest I have ever seen it. Quite a few people out here today, though. Beautiful winter day. I think we have our first fish. Oh, no, maybe we do. Oh, and he got away. Have our first fish. Well, we caught a 3-pounder. I think I got one under the boat. I do. Really little one, but it's a fish. Kicks off our day. First crappie of the day. Just a tiny little guy. Gonna let him go. See you, bud. Oh, it's a fish? I think it's a fish. Oh, he's a good one. He's a keeper. There we go. He's a good one. Probably keep her. Go see if this guy wants him. Alright, well, we just met Adam. Gave him our crappie. And he recognized me from Dad's Fishing Adventures channel, so that was pretty awesome. Thanks, Adam. God, what is this? No, he's got my lines tangled, whatever it is. Holy cow, what the heck is that? Alright, I just want to get a little picture of him. There, look at the size of him. There he goes. Alright, well that was pretty exciting. I have never hooked into a carp before. And I don't know if that's what they call a buffalo or just a carp or what it was. There we go. Good size crappie. Let him go. See you, bud. Just a little feller. See you, bud. Got one under the kayak. It's probably the same one I just let go. See you, bud. This is going to be a little one. Oh, yeah, I don't think they get much smaller than this. Hang on, little guy. We had to go catch him. He got loose on my boat. Look at how small. See you, bud. There's a little one. He's a keeper. Oh, come here, buddy. Ooh, he's getting a little bit bigger. Good looking fish. See you, bud. He's a keeper. Nice looking crappie. Gonna let him go. See you, bud. First bass of the day. Not much to write home about, but there we go. First little bass of the day, and when I say little, I mean little. See you, bud. There's a crappie. There we go. All right, let's catch one more fish and then we're gonna go home. That's gonna be it. Gonna do it. One last crappie. Nice looking fish. See you, bud. Well, that's going to do it for another episode of Dad's Fishing Adventures out here at Long Hunter State Park. If you made it this far, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, even if you didn't like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next episode of Dad's Fishing Adventures. Thanks, everybody.